Today at GLOJAS, we have one of the finalists, Miss Universe 2024.
I'm Carmenn Lee from Selangor, and today I'm with Dr. Jazz to consult him on something to do with my hair thinning. So Dr. Jazz, what are we going to do today?
Yeah, she actually has a very nice hair, but only certain part is thinning, and all around here also some hair is a bit thin at the crown. So what we're going to do today is something simple, what we call a hair rejuvenation. It will increase the blood circulation and the hair will go stimulation. In 2-3 months time, she will get a hair which is much thicker and the volume will be more.
I've just done my treatment with Dr. Jazz, and I find it very simple, quick, and non-invasive. Thank you.